Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. Again. All set up and ready to record. And you? Well, I'm super embarrassed. My shop is a mess, okay? Give me a few minutes to clean things up. All right, that'll do. Today we're going to be continuing the process of making a custom woodworking piece. That process is Cutlist Optimizer. Check it out. All right, here we go. I'm no longer a little head on the side. I am a big head in the corner. So first thing I'm going to do is go to a site called Cutlist Optimizer. Let's start a new project here. It's really great for helping you out with cut lists and all that. So basically, you go in here, and I use the tape measure to remeasure stuff out. We got 66 by 32.5. So my first piece is going to be 66. 32.5. We need one of those, and we'll label that top. Down here is the stock sheets, 96 by 48 plywood. After that, go ahead and check these side pieces. 25.5 by 26.5. 25.5 by 26.5. We need two of those, and those are the sides. Select the tape measure. This one here is only going to be from here to here, 59 inches, 32.5. 59 by 32.5, and we'll need one of those. That's the bottom. Center divider, 25, roughly 25 inches. We'll go 25 and 16 by 32.5. That's one of them. We need one of those for the middle. The mid divider. Okay, you hide that. Remember we had these. I'm gonna go ahead and measure those. That's 29.125 by 25. Same as the other one, 25.0125 will do. And we'll need two of those. We'll just call them dividers. All right. So not counting the 4x4s, just this plywood in the center here. Let's see what that gives us. See here, it gives us a picture of the plywood and the most optimal way to cut it down. This keeps it really organized and optimized. So here, unable to fit. You're actually unable to fit two pieces. What I'll do is add a third piece of plywood and recalculate that. That'll throw it in there, and everything should fit. So here we go, and it's all nice and labeled. You got the kerf thickness of the blade that you could put in there. You could label these panels. I found it very useful to get this like this, and I could print it out. You could even turn it into an image on your phone or a PDF and just go off that and trust the process. Don't forget to trust the process. All right, well, that's pretty much it for Cutlist Optimizer. Again, thank you guys for hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one.